Hi, in this video we will see how we can enter multiple sales data altogether. This is a sample student information table. Here there are a couple of columns are there like student ID, name, age, gender and grade. At the beginning the gender column is empty. We need to complete this gender column, and there are a couple of rows of data, like there are 7 rows of data for this table. So let's see how we can enter multiple sales data altogether. Among all the students, some of them are male and some of them are female. For example, the student gender column data should look like this. We want to enter this type of data, and if we observe carefully, then couple of cells have the same data like male and couple of cells have the other data like female. So we want to see how we can do this thing by very easy way. We will write only one time and it will repeat the data to other cells. To do this job, at first we need to select the cells where we want to repeat the same data. For example, we see that row 2, row 4, row 7 and row 8 has the same data which is male, and the other cells have the same data which is female. Now let's see how we can complete this thing. At first we need to select those cells. For the cell of row 7 and row 8 we have the same data, so I am going to select these two cells using the mouse and dragging those two cells all together. So once those two cells are selected, then we need to select the other cells. For other cells, before selection we need to hold the control key and then we have to click those cells. So I am going to hold control key and I am going to repeat, select the cell of 4th row and 2nd row which we want to repeat the same data. Once we selected all the cells, now it's time to write the text. Now I'm going to type male, and then once we type the mail, then don't hit enter. Just hold the control key and then hit enter key. Again hold the control key and then enter key, and then you will find this type of repetition of the same data. And that's it. In this way we can easily repeat the same text on different cells altogether. The data type over here doesn't matter. It will applicable for numeric data, text data or even for formula also. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily repeat the same text to different cells all together. Thank you guys for watching the video.